Hi there, Tony here. In this video we are going to do unboxing of the Panasonic RP-htx90n. Panasonic, you really have to work on your naming convention. Why you simply don't name them something like wireless aviation looking headphones? Something, think about that. But before we proceed with the unboxing, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure to destroy the like button, and also don't forget to ring the bell for any future notifications so you can watch our videos first. So let's get down to business. Okay, so those Panasonic headphones are wireless and they also have built-in noise cancellation. On the box you find some basic information about the headphones, the Bluetooth version, drivers, the codecs that they support. You see that it should run up to 24 hours on a single charge, the noise cancellation. You get a little bit understanding about what are some of the features like the buttons and how you can use them. Also it has a USB cable and a detachable cord, so you can use them even wirelessly. Let's start with unboxing. So, we have manual, how we can use them, additional manual, here is the power cable. You can see that it's a micro USB, not USB-C type. And also we see that there is the stereo jack. Here are the headphones. They're quite wide. So it's an over-ear design. The way that you can turn it on is by pressing once. Interesting is that you can use the noise cancellation even when the Bluetooth is off. So you can also use the noise cancellation wirelessly with the cable. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's a normal 3.5 stereo jack, so you can also use other such similar cables, which is quite good because some manufacturers use those proprietary standards and it's very difficult for you to find a cable after. I mean, go find cable for Sony headphones, I dare you. Here we have one button that's interesting, that's for bass. We're going to try it on. We have plus minus for increasing and decreasing sound, also moving forward or pausing in the middle. Here is where the charge cable is plugged in, and here we can turn on the Bluetooth mode. So let's turn. Okay, we start to pairing. So let me grab my tablet. Pair it. Okay, I found the device, I just connected to it. I'm going to run Spotify. New. Right, so after listening for a couple of minutes or so, I like the bass button. And I like it because usually manufacturers provide you an application or something like that where they tell you go download it and you have an equalizer which will be able to boost the bass or reduce it. In this case Panasonic has provided a button. I mean, I really liked it. If I want a more bassy sound, I just press the button. The noise cancellation is there. Of course it's not on the level that you expect comparing it to W1000 of Sony or the Sennheiser PXC550, but it's a nice one for the price range. With that being said, there are a couple of things that I would like to have improved in future versions. One is the USB cable to be replaced with USB-C. Another one is the pads. The pads are, I'm getting very sweaty when they are on. I mean, it's not genuine leather or something, but after even a couple of minutes or so, I really start to feel sweat. I like the pilot design, having Panasonic, and I can really tell that they are durable. And I of course like that the cable is a normal stereo jack that you can buy in any hardware store. Another thing that also came to my mind, because this is outdoor headphones, is the sound leak. So there is like minimum sound leak compared to other headphones. Of course, if you increase the volume to max, the sound leak is there, but it's not very dramatic. So what do you think about the Panasonic RP-htx90n? Do you like the idea of having more pilot looking headphones, or you prefer to have a different model? And then which one? I was your host Tony. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to get future notifications for all of our videos, and also make sure to leave a comment. Thank you.